solve, let's take a word problem on the exterior angles of polygons. Let's read the question first. The question says, three exterior angles of a polygon are 30 degrees, 40 degrees, and 60 degrees. Full stop. These are the exterior angles. And the question continues. It says, if the remaining extra angles are 46 degrees each, name the polygon. Name the polygon. You are required to name this polygon. So I start and underline the solution. So how do I start? I'll first of all write down these angles that are given to me. These angles, 46 included. These angles. I write them out like this. Okay, I write them out like this. I start with this one, 30 degrees. 30 degrees plus 40 degrees. 40 degrees plus 60 degrees. 60 degrees plus 46 degrees. This is where we have issue, because the 46, because the question said that the remaining angles are 46 degrees each, and you don't know how many angles that have that 46 degree. We don't know how many angles that is 46 degrees. So what do? We now write the 46. Write down the 46 first, times how many angles? We don't know. How many 46 do we have? We don't know. So say let it be x, because x always take unknown number in mathematics and arithmetic. Because of that, we write 46 times x. 46 times x times, you don't know the number of angles that are 46 degrees, is equals to what? Equals to, I always say that the sum of exterior angles of any polygon must be equals to 360. That's the formula. So it's equals to 360. That's the formula. The sum of exterior angles of any polygon must be equals to 360. So I continue from there. I continue. What do I do now? I evaluate. I add up these numbers. In other words, I say I collect like terms. I begin to add. I say 30 plus 40 will give me 70. 70 plus 60 will give me 130. I write down the 130. 130 degrees plus this 46. I cannot add it with this one because it goes with s. I'll simply multiply the 46 with s. Say plus 46 times s. 46 times s will give me 46x. Okay, I put the equals to stay 360. I continue. Now I have gotten 130 plus 46x equals to 360. Now what do I do again? I collect like term again. I still collect like terms. I'm still collecting like term. I want 46 which have s to stand alone, and the number that doesn't have s to go to the other side. Because of that, I say 46x. 46x is equals to, I put the equals to, is equals to, I continue, 46x is equals to this 360. 360. Now this 130 to come and meet this 360 here, because here this 130 has an invisible plus here, so it is plus. When you come to this side, cross this equality sign, it becomes minus. So I'll have 360 minus 130. 130 degrees, or in degrees. Angles are measured in degrees. I continue. Which will give me, I said that then the 46s is equals to 360 minus 130 gives me 230. She gave me 230 degrees. Finally, because I'm solving for the value of s, I want this s to stand alone. Therefore, I will divide by the coefficient of s, which is 46, which is the number that is with s, so that s can stand alone. I will divide both sides of this equation by the coefficient of s, which is the number with s, which is 46. So I'll simply say this side, which is 46s, divided by this 46, equals to this side, which is 230, divided by still this 46. This 46, which should now give me, if 46 cancels 46, what remains here is s. So I'll write it down. S is equals to, put down the equals to, 46 cancels 230. 46 divides 230 will give me 5. Give me 5, which means x is equals to 5, which means the number of angles that are 46 in this polygon are 5. Yes, the number of angles that has 46 in this polygon are 5. They are 5 in number. So now if I want to write out the angles of this polygon, I'll write it out like this. Angles of the polygon, I'll write it out like this. Angles of the polygon of the polygon are equals to, there are 30 degrees, 30 degrees, 40 degrees, 40 degrees, comma, 60 degrees, 60 degrees. Okay, now come to this 46 degrees, which have s, they are 5 in number. So I'll write it out like this. 46 degrees 1, 46 degrees 2, 46 degrees 3, 46 degrees 4, and finally 46 degrees 5. Yes, the polygon has 5 46 degrees. The polygon has 5 angles that are 46 degrees in it. So I'll now count the angles in these polygons. I'll now count the angles. I'll start with this 30 degrees. I'll start count. This is number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 angles. And the number of angles in a polygon determines the name that will be given to that polygon. It determines the name of that polygon. Therefore, since this polygon has 8 angles, the name is octagon. Yes, octagon has 8 angles. So the name is octagon. octagon. It's octagon that has 8 sides in polygon. Yes, so our answer is octagon. We have answered the question. Name the polygon. The name of the polygon is octagon. Octagon, polygon of 8 sides.